A PR4 file contains compiled database application logic from Visual FoxPro 4, Microsoft's legacy xBase development platform. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you access or migrate this legacy program file. Note on preparation. Make sure you have a reliable universal file opener. It's particularly effective when the PR4 file is only partially corrupted. My top tool is revealed here and will be highlighted later on. PR4 files are compiled program files from Visual FoxPro 4, Microsoft's xBase database development platform. They contain compiled procedural code for database-driven applications, including form logic queries and data manipulation routines from the mid-1990s era. Visual FoxPro PR4 files are compiled P-code binaries generated from PRG source files. They reference DBF database tables, index files, and form definitions. The runtime interpreter executes compiled instructions for data access UI rendering and business logic. The PR4 file is widely endorsed for use with Microsoft Visual FoxPro, developed by Microsoft Corporation. The proprietary indexing requires careful handling to avoid critical file system errors. Windows does not evaluate developer scripts directly, requiring supported execution software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the PR4 file and select Open with Test Microsoft Visual FoxPro if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the PR4 format uniquely. If the PR4 file won't open, don't panic. Let's eliminate the guesswork. Here's a simple explanation of the technical reasons why the PR4 file is refusing to open. First, opening the file. Install Visual FoxPro 4 or a later compatible version to open and execute PR4 files. Launch Visual FoxPro and use the do command in the command window followed by the file name to run the compiled program within the development environment. Next, accessing source code. Locate the original PRG source file, which should be in the same directory as the PR4 file. Open the PRG file in any text editor or within Visual FoxPro's code editor to view and modify the original uncompiled program source code. Finally, migration options. Since Visual FoxPro is discontinued, migrate PR4 applications to modern platforms using tools like Fox and Cloud or manual conversion to .NET. Export associated DBF database tables to SQL Server or access for continued data access and application modernization. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.